Yes, ladies, I want you to look at this watch and I want you to tell me the story of this watch. Where was this watch before it comes here to class? Yes.
This watch was in the school and then they bought it from the store.
Very good. Someone bought it from the store. Where do you think it was before the store? Yeah.
It was a scientist made it.
No.
Okay, or could be, yes.
It wasn't existed, so the scientist invented it.
And I want this watch in particular, not watches in general. This one in particular. Before being in a store, where was it? Where was it?
It was
In the factory.
It was at the factory which manufactured it. Good. And before this, before the factory,
It was not existing.
it wasn't existing?
It was still made. It was like pieces of metal and.
Okay, it was what?
Metal.
Raw materials. Okay. What's the raw material of the watch? What does it consist of? Metal. Good. What else? Leather. Could be plastic. Electricity. Batteries. Good. Strings. Good. Glass or plastic. Okay. Okay. Can you give me, for example, the watch itself, the circular part of the watch? Okay. What is it made of?
Metal and.
Okay. Can you give me the origin of this metal? Where did it come from?
From
Metal. Where does it come from? From where do we get metal?
from the magnets. Sometimes from the.
Is it from magnets?
No.
No. We found.
Underground.
Okay, we found it under the ground. Very good.
We find it under the ground sometimes from the volcano.
Okay. They dig the ground and they take out what? Metal. And then they what?
They make it
Into things. Yes, very good. They form it and make it into things.
watches.
Okay, yes, that's good. Let's look at the strap. What is it made of?
Leather.
Leather. What's the raw material of the leather? From where do we get it?
I know. From
Yeah.
the rubbers, sometimes.
From the rubbers? What do you mean by rubbers? Okay.
They put what do we say? More than one rubber and.
Okay. What I want you to do now is I want you to start the story of the watch from the raw materials, building it up till the moment we have it here. Okay? Start writing. You're talking about what?
Calculator.
The calculator. Okay. Have you started writing the story of the calculator?
Yes.
Yes. Who can read me what you have written already? Okay. Would you please read it? Loud voice. Okay?
It has many coins, colors, and shapes. It's sometimes helpful because when you don't know the numbers, you can put the numbers and find the answer. It's a technology provider.
Okay. I want you to write a story told by what?
Calculator?
By the calculator. I want you to imagine that the calculator is what? Is a person. Okay? We'll personify it. Okay? I want you to imagine that the calculator is a person and write from the point of view of what? Of the calculator. Yani I want you to start writing using the pronoun what?
Calculator.
The pronoun what?
Human.
The calculator is talking about itself. So you will use. Okay, but the calculator is talking about itself. So you will use the pronoun what? The pronoun what? Okay, me or? I. Okay. Yeah. Write another time, and this time use the pronoun what? I. Referring to what? To the calculator. Okay?
Write a story.
Yani then start.
I am an abacus. I have many colors. I add, subtract, multiply, and divide. I am very old, and nobody uses me anymore. All the people use calculators, but it's better if calculators do all the work for you, which means that your brain does not work or think. But I am stronger and smarter than the calculator. Most people say that I
This is excellent. Thank you. This is excellent. Who also would like to read his or hers? Now we will read the whole story. Each one of you wrote one part of the story. We will read now the whole thing. Each one of you will read her part, okay? Yes. Where does it start? Yes. Can you start, please?
First, they dig under the ground to find the metal to use X and pick.
Good.
Then they started to get ideas. Then they made a watch. Next, they sent the materials to the factory sold to manufacture it.
Because people love this idea and then people make a lot of
Who's next?
To our century, the factory started to give it to stores, and then people started to buy it and use it to see them tired. The end.
Okay. Thank you. That was really good. Okay? Thank you.